This is our first day fishing in the Keys. I've been casting out here with the little gold spoon, and I had 2 barracuda on. They both came off. There are some aggressive fish. We're waiting right now, and they're all right in front of us in this shallow water. Hope they didn't pass. I wish I didn't mess up my 2 chances at a cuda, you know? I just threw the cast net right here. I saw a school of bait fish. I think these are greenbacks, pilchards. Got a little, I don't know, a little snapper of some sort maybe. Oh, he's digging.
It's a hammerhead.
I let him eat, and I let my bail out, and I let him take the line a little bit.
What if that's what it's been the whole time? Look at the bucket. You got pliers? Yeah, no. Easy, the bucket's not strapped down. Oh my god!
He's taking a run for it. First fish of the Florida Keys. I don't know if y'all can see him in the water right there. What's going on?
How are we going to do this?
I'm going to wear him out and we're going to flip him up here.
We're wearing him out too much.
Yeah. Alright, Drew, grab it. Flip him up. Yeah, it is. Grab it. Yeah.
What kind
Little bonnet shark. Yeah, or similar to a hammer. First catch in the Florida Keys. Zach's hooked up right now on something.
Shark.
A little shark.
That wasn't fun.
This is the second spot we've came to. First spot, I got a bunch of bites from barracuda and had 2 on.
Whoa, look at that guy.
That was a very smooth pull up. Yeah. The second fish of the trip is another bonnet shark. Zach got him. I didn't do an outro on the fishing video either. We ended up doing pretty well. I hooked 2 barracudas. I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't get on video because we weren't really expecting to catch anything at this little spot. We're about to head out right now. If you enjoyed that little fishing segment, there's going to be more to come, so like and subscribe.